What's up guys? Today we are going to be talking about the iPhone battery case for the iPhone XS Max and how my thoughts over the past like 5 or 6 months, however long I've had it, have been. And do I recommend this case? Is this a case that if you're going to be buying the iPhone XS Max next year, right, even after the iPhone 11, is this going to be a case that you want? And I really want to make sure that you guys have an updated opinion. So starting out, I really like the case. There's some things I dislike about the case. Some of the things I like is the battery life improvement that your iPhone XS Max gets is really, really great. So I can use the battery case almost all day at work, and sometimes I'm really heavy on it, so sometimes by the time I get off work the battery case is dead. But then I have the iPhone battery, and the iPhone XS is great on battery. It's not the best in the market, but it's actually really good. Okay, so that's the first major thing. Second, I really like how it can utilize the Lightning port as well as the wireless charging. So if you don't know, you can wirelessly charge your phone and the case by just having your phone in here and laying it down on the wireless charger. Okay, so next, the bag. So Apple makes these out of silicone. So that's great. Silicone is very grippy sometimes, at least when you first have it. And so pocket lint, dust, just laying it down on a counter. I work in a lab where there's a lot of dust, and it can come out pretty grimy. So I don't use this all the time. And the reason why is I try to preserve this as long as possible. But with the iPhone coming out next month, and hopefully if all things are clear and we have that square camera cut out, I won't be able to use this. So I've been using it a little bit more. Now, within the first month, I've started noticing these little, I don't know if you could see it, I'll post a better video over top it. Now, we know the battery cases do this. Apple battery cases have been doing this for quite some time now, and that's great and fine. I just feel like there could have been a better option, or even like a more expensive option. I don't know why or if it's possible for them to do leather. I know this would be kind of hard to do in leather, but I would have liked to see something a little bit more durable, especially for over $100 case, to kind of compete with the industry. Now, I would say that this is going to get you way more battery life than a Mophie. So if you have the extra money, go ahead and drop it. Other than just the fact of the material that the outside is made out of. It can get oily, fingerprinty, and it just can sometimes look really, really gross, especially on a hot, sweaty day, and I live in Texas. So my hands can be oily a lot more than you would think, I mean, with all the 100-degree weather lately. So, yes, the goods, you can use your Lightning headphones, even though most of us probably use AirPods, but if you don't, you can still listen to your headphones. You can still wirelessly charge. So it's actually really, really great. I do recommend this case, but just know going into it that it does not stand the test of time as far as looking good, which is kind of a bummer. There's 3 colors. There's this one, the black, there's white, and then there's the gold one. That's kind of like that rose gold color, or blush gold, I think it's called. So yeah, link will be in the description if you would like to buy one. And thank you guys. I'm working on some more videos. Still working on my iMac video. If there's anything you want to know in that, please comment below, and I'll make sure I include it. It's my 2017 iMac Pro 5K. So yeah, guys, thanks, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys shortly. Also, quick, I do have the Note 10 Plus coming, and the iPhone 11 will be ordered when it launches. So thank you guys, and I will see you next time.